All right, so let's look at this mathematics questions on functions that involves the use of the concept of matrices and determinants. The question here says if a matrix B is equal to, you have this, all right, 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 4, 5, 0, minus 1, 2. And they said, and let f of x be given by x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. You're asked to find or evaluate the value of f of b. All right. So how do you solve this question? What do you do? Now, the first task would be you're asked to find or evaluate f of b, but then we do not have the value of b. So our first task would be to find the value of b, and to do that, we'll have to evaluate this matrix. All right, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us find the determinant of this matrix. So if I'm given b as being equal to, what I have there is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 3 minus 4, 5, 0 minus 1, then you have 2. If I'm to find determinant, my first task here would be to bring in my sign convention, plus, minus, plus. So I'm having plus, minus, plus. So I'm having plus 1. So this becomes plus 1 into, for 1, cover the row and the column of 1. So I'll cover here and cover this one here, right? Row and column of 1. You have minus 4, 5, minus 1, 2. So minus 4, 5, minus 1, 2. You have this. Next up, you have minus 2. That becomes minus 2 into, for 2, I'll cover the row and the column of 2. If I cover the row and column of 2, I'm left with 3, 5, 0, 2. So 3, 5, 0, 2. Then finally, you now have plus 0. So I have plus 0 into, for 0, I'll cover the row of 0 and the column of 0. So left with 3 minus 4, 0 minus 1. So 3 minus 4, 0 minus 1. So you have this. All right, so we have this here. We have now successfully converted this 3 by 3 matrix into this. Now, working on this, we'll have that determinant of b is equal to, you have plus 1. Now, to solve this question here, all you have to do is multiply your principal diagonal, which are the elements here, right? You're right this way. Minus 4 times 2, minus 4 times 2. This minus, multiply the other diagonal there, this and this. 5 times minus 1, you have this. Next up, pick up the next number there, minus 2 into, multiply the terms of your principal diagonal, this and this, 3 times 2, minus, multiply the other diagonal, 5 times 0. 5 times 0. Finally, you have plus 0. So, plus 0 into, multiply the terms of your principal diagonal, 3 times minus 1, 3 times minus 1, then take minus of this times this, which is minus 4 times 0. So you have this. All right, let's work on this. This is equal to, I have 1 into minus 4 times 2 is minus 8 minus, okay, this is, let's just take this together. Minus 5 times minus 1 gives you plus 5. All right, that still works. You can take this as minus 5 times minus 1 plus 5. That's correct. Minus 2 into 3 times 2 gives you 6. Minus 5 times 0 gives you 0. Then you have plus 0 into 3 times minus 1 gives you minus 3. Into minus is plus. 4 times 0 is plus 0. All right. So working on this, this is equal to, you have 1 into 8 minus 8 plus 5 gives you minus 3. Minus 2 into 6 minus 0 is 6. Plus 0 into minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Now working on this, we have 1 times minus 3. that is minus 3, minus 2 times 6, that is minus 12. Then you have 0 times minus 3, that is plus 0 or minus 0, whichever one. So this is equal to, you have minus 3 minus 12, that gives you minus 15. So in essence, for this question, we've gotten the value of b, that is, we've gotten b as equal to minus 15. So if you ask to find, okay, let me clean this so we can proceed. So b is minus 15. All right, so at this juncture, if you're now asked to evaluate f of b, that's simply f of minus 15. Now from that, this will be equal to, now all you have to do is this. Wherever you see x here, you put minus 15. So x to power 4 becomes minus 15 to power 4 minus 3, so minus 3 into x to power 3. X to power 3 is minus 15 to power 3 minus 2, so minus 2 into x squared minus 15 all squared plus 4x, so plus 4. We said x should be minus 15, then plus 6. So we have plus 6. This is the value of f of minus 15. So therefore, f of b, which is equal to f of minus 15, will be equal to, so I'll just get my calculator and I'll try to punch this, okay? So minus 15 to power 4. So open a bracket, type in minus 15 raised to power 4. Your value gives you 50,625. You have this, okay? Minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 15 to power 3. Minus 15 to power 3 gives you minus 3375 minus 3375. Okay, next up minus 2, so you have minus 2 into minus 15 all squared, that's about 225, minus 15 all squared. If you punch this correctly, you have 225, so 225 into plus 4 times minus 16, plus times minus is minus, 4 times 15 is 60, then you have plus 6, so plus 6. Okay, this is now equal to, what I have here becomes 50625. Next up, minus minus is plus. 3 times this, 3375 times 3 gives you 10125. Yeah? Yeah. Next up, minus 2 times this, 225 times 2, that's minus 450, minus 450, minus 60 plus 6. So I'll just punch all of this. So f of b, which is simply f of minus 15, it's equal to, what do I have here? I have 50625 plus 10125 minus 450 minus 60 plus 6. All right, that will give you 60,246. All right, so that's your answer. All right, so this is how we solve this question. See you in our next class.